Removing the RX-8 stereo. It's going to start off by taking off this shift panel. A little force that will pry right out. Now with the cover removed, there'll be 2 screws. One was here, it's missing, and one here. This lower trim will be able to come out, and there'll be some plugs that need to be disconnected. That'll expose 2 more screws, one here and one here. Now the head unit can start to come out, and there'll be some plugs on the back that have to be disconnected for it to fully come out. With the plugs disconnected, the head unit fully comes out. So on the lower part, there are 2 for the climate controls, and then there are 2 for the stereo controls, and there's one up here that is for the screen.